let me welcome you again. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. Let's explore more. The Cape ground squirrel or South African ground squirrel is found in most of the drier parts of southern Africa from South Africa, through to Botswana, and into Namibia, including Etosha National Park. The species has also been known as the fan-tailed squirrel. It has black skin with a coat made of short, stiff hairs without underfur. The fur is cinnamon on the back while the face, underbelly, sides of neck and ventral sides of limbs are white. The sides of its body each have a white stripe that stretches from the shoulders to the thighs. The eyes are fairly large and have white lines around them. The pinnae are small. The tail is flattened on the back and underside, and is covered with white hair and 2 black bands at the base. They live mainly in arid or semi-arid areas. They prefer to live in felt and grasslands with hard ground. They can also be found in scrub along pans, on floodplains and in agricultural areas. They are generally active during the day and do not hibernate. They are burrowing animals that dig and live in clusters of burrows. Burrows serve to protect the squirrel from extreme temperatures at the surface as well as predators. Nevertheless, most of the day is spent feeding at the surface. For thermoregulation, they shade their head and back with their bushy tails. Dust bathing is also done. They live in groups of 2 to 3 adult females and a maximum of 9 subadults of either sex as well as the female's dependent offspring. Groups that have more than 3 females split into smaller groups. When perceiving something as a threat, ground squirrels will emit a whistle-like call as an alarm call. During antagonistic encounters, squirrels emit deep growls as signs of aggression. Gestation lasts around 48 days. Lactation begins not long before the pups are born. A lactating female isolates herself in a separate burrow to care for their young, but she returns to her group after weaning, or if her litter is lost for some reason. There are 1 to 3 pups in a litter. They are born altricial, hairless and blind. The pups stay in the burrows for their first 45 days. By 35 days, the eyes are open. 7 days after emerging from the burrows, the pups can eat solid food. Lactation ends at around 52 days. I am grateful for your visit. We will meet again pretty soon. Bye for now, take care of your family. Let's protect our wildlife.